Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is episode 4 of our journey learning programming Python from CS50p presented by Hardwoods. Today it is episode 4 and you are welcomed to continue with me with this journey. First, thanks to the two brothers who showed support to me. I am very happy that you supported me. Today I did not take any lecture from CS50p. I have completed so far 2 lectures, week 0 and week 1. I have shared what I have learned so far, which includes using of conditions which I learned yesterday, if, else, and then the mathematical operations greater than, equal to, greater or equal to, and comparisons, function, define, two built-in functions, print and input, and much more. Also, I have then practiced some programs which I have saved in my computer. This time this video is related to a suggestion. You have to suggest to me that I have told that I will not do vibe coding, but this time I am doing so. Let me show you. Like, see, this is what I am building this time by vibe coding. I have prompted this AI agent and it is generating the code, and I have generated this code so far in last 3 months. Now I want to complete this. It is basically AI where I use the APIs of Grok and multi AI providers, and I want to complete this and then build this. I now want you to suggest me, should I do this, complete this? It will take some few days, or should I let this and continue my learning journey of Python and to become a good really developer. This is the project that I have started before 3 months or so. Then I put this on hold for a long time, and then today I started it again. I want it to complete and then set it for production so users use it. And I did not learn anything from it. I only learn like how to prompt AI agent, and then I only keep watching it like a movie, and AI agent generated the whole code. It is hundreds of lines, thousands of lines of code, mostly in Python. I told it to generate the code in Python. I do this because I thought then when I learn real programming, then I understand how actually it works. But since I am learning nowadays, I will today complete it and then send it to hosting, and I will also share you the link in the description if I today hosted it. Also I have written some programs as I will show at the end in the screen. Go check it out. Bye bye.